Hello, in this presentation, I want to show you how to create shortcuts with Excel macro to a specific file or to current file. Starting with the current situation, an Excel file and a test1 in a folder, I will present how to create shortcuts to both files in different locations. First button will create a shortcut to test file in startup location, as you can see. The second button will create a shortcut to this workbook on user's desktop, as you can observe. By pushing again the button, the macro detects that the shortcut exists and ignore to create it again. Now, the same shortcut can be created from macro inside a personal.xlsb file. See my previous presentation. Pushing this button, the result will be the same, the shortcut is created, but in this case, it's possible to create shortcut to any active Excel file on desktop or however location we need. Now, I will show you the code behind the buttons. Using the first macro, we'll always delete all the files in startup folder, then create the shortcut. Using this macro, we'll create only the shortcut, ignoring if already exists. As you can see, it's possible also to add a specific icon to shortcut, but in some cases it's possible that the selected icon may be not available on computer, depending on Windows version or icon file location. In this module is stored the macro that creates shortcut to this file on user's desktop. As you can see, it works only with this workbook. I will show next the code behind the user form button inside the personal.xlsb file. The difference is that the code works with active workbook instead of this workbook. I hope you like this presentation, and you can adapt the code to work over a network location by setting the path where you need the shortcut to be created. Also, now you can see why it is important to use a personal.xlsb file to store all useful macros in one file, to work with any open Excel file, and not only. Till my next presentation, I wish you all the best.